In this video, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade a 128GB M2 SSD hard drive to a 256GB M2 SSD. My system model is ASUS N501VW. As you can see, has a hybrid system with two hard drives, a 128GB M2 SSD that has my Windows 10 operating system, as well as a 1TB HDD that I mostly use as an archive. I use this laptop for architecture purposes mostly. Lumion and Revit are the software that I use the most, which are very heavy and fill lots of space. So most of the time I run out of storage in my drive C. As you can see, this Lumion takes around 30 gigabytes by itself. So if you have the same problem, I suggest you to contact the company which has made your system as I did, in order to realize how much you are allowed to upgrade your hard drive. ASUS responded me that my system supports up to a 512 gigabyte NVMe, which is the latest high-speed M2 SSD hard drive. So I decided to order this ADATA SSD, which has the capacity of 256 gigabyte and also is a high-speed M2 memory and is NVMe type. Here I'm gonna teach you how to transfer all your data, including your Windows and all other software, to your new hard drive. There are different ways to do so. Personally, I'm using an external hard drive to migrate all my data. You can download Macrium Reflect software, which is free, to make a copy of your whole hard drive and transfer it to your new one. This software gives you this code, and you have to copy this code and paste it here. As you can see here, it shows both of my hard drives. First one is my SSD hard drive, and the second one is my HDD 1TB hard drive. So in this case, I want to back up all my SSD hard drive to an external hard drive so that I can transfer this data to my new SSD. So you need to have flash memory which has enough space for bootable Windows, and a hard drive with enough free space to back up all your hard drive. Now that I connected my hard drive into the computer, you can see this portion added which shows my hard drive. Now for creating a bootable flash memory or bootable disk, you can go to Other Task, Create Rescue Media, and then go to Windows Boot menu and Add Boot menu. So here your boot menu is ready, and you can add this boot menu to your removable USB flash drive. Now that you create your bootable flash memory, I suggest you to remove it. I remove my USB flash and remove it from my computer, and then with your external hard drive plugged in, you can start the backup process. First, I will uncheck my drive D, which corresponds my 1 terabyte HDD, and make sure all of these little boxes are checked, which means that you are going to back up all these portions, which is my older SSD, into my external hard drive. So with all these boxes checked, click on this portion and then click on image this disk. Now I'm gonna create a folder for my backup here in this external hard drive. So I click on make new folder and name it backup with today's date. Click OK. Now you can see the source is my SSD and the destination is this folder which I just made, and it's into my external hard drive. That's it. You can click on next and leave these options as the default and then next and finish. You can put a name for your backup. I name it my backup and today's date, which is 2021-04-06. Then OK. Here it starts the process and it may take a while. I'm gonna speed up the video and then I'll show you how I remove my old SSD and put my new SSD into my computer. Okay, as you can see, it took me 18 minutes to back up about 110 gigabytes to the external hard drive. Now unplug everything